Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is all about how to whiten and brighten teeth easily using Photoshop. To get started, open an image that you will like to edit. To do this, go to File, Open and browse to open your chosen image. I'm going to be using this image as an example. So to zoom in, press Ctrl and plus button on your keyboard. This will make it easier to edit. The first tool that I'll be using is the lasso tool. Using this tool, I'm going to trace around the teeth as slowly and carefully as I can. So now that the top row of teeth have been outlined, I'm going to create a hue saturation layer. For this, click on the adjustment layer icon at the bottom, then select hue saturation. Now within the properties tab, change where it is set as mustard to yellows. Then the saturation level needs to be decreased. You will have to experiment with the level to decide which color looks natural. For me, -90 looks about right. I'm going back to master. I'm going to change the lightness level to around +17 to make it look more natural. However, as you can see, the outline of the teeth look a little messy. So to fix this, click on the black thumbnail and make sure the foreground color is set to black. Then using the brush tool, select a soft edge brush and adjust the size of the brush using the square bracket key. Now all I am going to do is carefully go over the white shadow area. Once you are completely happy with the outcome, you can zoom out to see how beautiful and white the teeth are. You can go ahead and save the image by going to File, Save As, then Browse and Save as Jpeg format. So this is the end of a very quick and easy tutorial. I hope that you have learned something new today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again soon.